Yeah, hi. It's such an honor for me to take part in this demo day. I'm Tony Han, CEO of Coconutsilo, and we accelerate logistics in various countries based on big data and AI technologies. And by participating this Orange Fab Asia program, we're looking forward to expand our target area and target market to European continent and Africa. Thank you.
Okay, great. Maybe your introduction will come along with your pitch there, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, let's watch your pitch first.
Hi, I'm Tony An, COO of Coconutsilo. We accelerate logistics based on AI and big data technologies. Coconutsilo is a logistics and commercial vehicle specialized mobility startup. So by using our solution, Coco Drop, users can move their cargoes faster, cheaper, and greener. As you know, logistics industry itself is one of the slowest industry that is turning into digital. As a result, 76% of the globe is a logistics problem. If a shipper wants to make a transit request, they have to make more than 6 phone calls, and both B2Bs, which are shippers and carriers, are suffering in front of their desks with a bunch of paperwork. Of course, during this procedure, a lot of time and money are wasted. So to solve these problems, we have developed a one-stop total logistics solution which connects all types of players in the logistics market into a single place. So shippers can make a transit request within several touches, and carriers can manage the resources far more efficiently and easier just by using our solution. And drivers can report their real-time status without using other solutions, which means that all types of users can save their time and money. So by using our solution, users can save 2 hours a day and reduce 25% of their expenditure and reserve 37% more trucks, and they can automate most of the order procedure based on big data and AI technologies. Of course, they can drive more eco-friendly because our platform provides resource management systems and resource management functions. So shippers can move their cargoes even if they don't own their own truck, and they can track their resources no matter where and when they are. And they can take actions during the transit, which could be a perfect solution for COVID and post-COVID-19 era. So based on the analysis of logistics history that users have made, our platform automatically matches individually targeted third-party services such as insurance, fueling, and maintenance. By applying these features, users were able to make 25% more profits on average. So to deep dive about the technological features that we provide, drivers can move multiple cargoes in a single transit procedure based on smart consolidation system. A matchable algorithm helps truck drivers to get an order on their way back to their garage so that they do not need to waste their time on the road until the right cargoes to be allocated. And based on the analysis of 27 factors that affect the price of the cargo, our platform automatically matches appropriate price for the registered cargo. By applying these technologies, users were able to save their time by 47% and make more money by 70%, and they could use their resource more efficiently by 60%, which means that they can make more money. So to explain about our partnership itself, we've started as Hyundai Now startup since April 2018, and we've successfully spun off in June 2020. As a result, at the moment of spin-off, both Hyundai and Kia have invested us. In addition, we do have Daimler, Mercedes-Benz, and Fujitsu, KT Portal as our partners. So we are doing our business in Vietnam right now, looking forward to expand our business area to European continent and Africa. So there was a traction that we had. Users were able to make 37% more orders and make 25% more money. So our business model is really simple: freemium and advertisement. Users are totally free to join, but if they want to enjoy additional features, they have to pay. And we also charge carriers based on their company size. And as mentioned, based on the analysis of logistics history that users have made, our platform automatically matches targeted advertisement programs for third-party service providers. So our company is consisted of 21 employees in total, and it's how our C levels look. We do have expertise in both logistics and commercial vehicle field, and which makes us the appropriate guys to solve the problem throughout the market. So it's what we have gone through, and we have 40 intellectual properties in total, and we do have overseas branch in the USA, China, Vietnam, and India. Again, I'm Tony An, CEO of Coconutsilo. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me.
Okay, thank you, Tony. So if you have any questions from the panel, feel free to ask. Also from the audience, so you can type in your questions in the chat window so that you can find it from the stage. Thank you.
Yes, I have a question. You said you opened in the US. Did you hear me?
Oh yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, you said you did open in the US.
Yeah.
And everywhere in the US, and what is the situation there for you? I mean, how is it working? How many customers do you have? And
yeah, so to explain about the current situation for the US branches, that we are actually now operating in the US. So we're just preparing for launch of our platform in US, especially in California right now. So yeah. So
okay.
it's, yeah.
Okay. What is your country's most advanced launched at the moment?
Yeah, we are doing our business in Southeast Asian countries, especially countries in Indochina Peninsula. So we have quite a number of traction there. So we think that it is an appropriate timing for us to expand our business throughout to other countries.
Okay, but let's take a country where you are in, like Vietnam, for instance. You open a branch there?
Yeah, we do have.
Okay, and how do you start the service? Because to be viable, your service need to have a certain amount of driver or truck company to be in the service, to be attractive to people that want to use it.
So the first method that we took to invite users into our platform was that we've acquired a single logistics company in Vietnam. So by doing so, we could have all the attractions that they had, including their customers, partners, and drivers also. And the second method that we took was that we've signed into a consortium, a logistics consortium, which consists of huge number of logistics companies in Vietnam.
Okay, but when you say you want to start in Europe or in Africa, you need to maybe do the same thing. I mean, having a local team in the country that really make sure that there is driver companies that step in your service and launch your operations.
Yeah, so based on our experience, we found out that acquiring a logistics company in target market was very effective. So we will do exactly the same to both Europe and Africa continents at the first stage. So by doing so, we were able to attract all, we were able to gather all the users and drivers, partners, and customers for the logistics company there. So yeah, we'll do exactly the same.
Okay. But what's your next country that you want? Because Africa is huge. I mean, it's a continent. Europe is big as well. I mean, it's so. What is your favorite targeted country at the moment? Where do you want to start the operation first in these places?
We will start from the Spain first for Europe, both Europe and Africa primary market.
But which country you want to start in?
Spain.
Spain? Okay.
Yeah.
You want to start in Spain, and why Spain? I mean, there is any reason for that?
Since we've made a joint venture in Uruguay with Argentine companies, since we've provided them some technological point of view, like technological API. So we do have connections with Spanish speaking companies there. So we will co-launch our platform with the company in Spain. So which could solve our problem that we could not speak Spanish and we do not have any connections in Spain also.
Okay. And what help do you need to launch this operation in Spain, for instance?
Yeah, first of all, we do not have any connections with manufacturers in Europe. So having connections with, since manufacturers are mainly our customers, which since they will make a lot of logistics volume in a single time. So and in addition, since as you know, like there are several areas that connections get lost. So of course, IoT devices, development of IoT devices are mandatory for us to provide higher level of tracking system or routing algorithms also. So yeah, like connections with telecommunication company in order for us to provide IoT devices are mandatory. So we want to suggest you to work mainly on those IoT focused industry and connections with manufacturers. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
I have one question. Currently, you are relying on the mobile smartphone for the shippers and the drivers. And are you considering any connectivity solution inside the vehicle so that you can cope with 5G in the future or something?
Absolutely. Yeah, because like as you know, like we think the next future for logistics industry is mainly on cold chain, but to provide cold chain services, IoT devices based on 5G telecommunications are essential. So yeah, for our next stage for R&D and development for our platform is mainly based on IoT devices based on 5G telecommunication.